Wait.
Jack, I know this isn't gonna help, but I have something I have to say or I'll explode. It's just I don't want you to be scared.
What?